Why does your scanner show the P1250 engine code? What does it mean? P1250 is a diagnostic trouble code for problem with the turbocharger system. It indicates there is a problem with the turbocharger system in a vehicle. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This code is caused by these possible faults in your car. Faulty boost pressure sensor. Defective turbocharger actuator. Damaged or clogged intake manifold. Leaking intercooler hoses or seals. Faulty ECU. Worn out turbocharger. Wiring issues. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error occurs in OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those manufactured since 1996. It is commonly found in Hyundai, Kia, Lexus, Mazda, Toyota, and BMW. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.